Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen vehicle.
Polo Life 1.0 TSI 95PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a stunning deep black pearl finish. This remarkable vehicle is currently available for you to purchase, and as you can see it's got some upgraded options like the rear tinted glass and the front parking sensors. You have the stylish 15-inch S6 alloy wheels which complement the exterior finish well, creating a desirable look to the vehicle. Powerful folding mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them, and a fairly spacious boot capacity big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. We have ISO fixed point to the back rear child seats. As you can see, we have USB-C inputs as well. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the dashboard display, and panning around you can see we have the titanium black and ceramic interior upholstery, alongside it an upgraded panoramic sunroof which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, perfect for all year round. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use. On the dashboard display you can show key information like your driving data, audio and even your telephone whilst on the move. The left hand side you also have your assist functionalities that are available to you, like your adaptive cruise control to stay at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort throughout. The infotainment screen offers a wide array of different options to choose from, and going into navigation you're prompted to purchase at additional cost. However, going into App Connect, we're going to access the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which will allow you to bypass the limitation by accessing features like Google Maps and Waze navigation from your phone directly through the car's infotainment screen, which is a great addition to offer a more confident driving experience. As I said, the car does feature the front parking sensors alongside the rear parking sensors as well, and the front sensors are an upgraded option to the vehicle. It offers a much more confident experience, especially whilst doing manoeuvres, and it offers a safer one at that. This is great for places like shopping centres, where traditionally it can be a little bit tight.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 3 years warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. So to learn more about the vehicle or to get yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information, or you can inquire online today.